Ready to finally speak English fluently? Finding a language exchange partner is one of the most effective ways to boost your speaking skills. But where do you find them? Let's dive in. First, explore online platforms. Websites like ILETS, Tandem, and Speaky connect you with native English speakers looking to learn your language. You can chat, text, and even video call. Next, consider language exchange apps. Many offer dedicated features for finding partners based on interests and availability. Don't underestimate social media. Join Facebook groups or online communities focused on language learning. Search for English exchange partners or language partners, and finally, check out local meetups. Many cities have in-person language exchange events where you can meet people face-to-face. Remember to be clear about your goals, be patient, and most importantly, have fun practicing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more language learning tips.